Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Friday, March 26, 2021. It's the last Friday of March. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way with my team and family. I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Forest Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Last night, let me get my phone so I can tell you, last night we had our International Food Festival here at the school drive-through. Well, drum roll please, because we have a winner. We have a winner for the best food. Our winner, number 1, drum roll, Puerto Rico, Mr. Orozco and Miss Leos. Nice job. In second place was Mexico, Mr. and Mrs. Aldana. In third place was USA with Mr. Patrick Frank. In fourth place was Poland, Coach Frank. In fifth was Brazil, Miss Brasenio. In sixth place was Italy, Miss Hernandez and Miss Rocio. In seventh place was China, Miss Gabby. And eighth place was Mexico, Miss Mondragon. So nice job for all those who were here. We enjoyed seeing you. We miss you. We can't wait. Also, reminder for 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is Mock Star. So Monday for 3rd, 4th, and 5th is our Math Mock Star. Make sure you're online. Cameras need to be on. And you have your test in front of you that you should have had your parents pick up for you. Also, then, on Tuesday, it is the Reading Mock Star for 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. And on Wednesday is 5th grade Science Mock Star. You guys have got this. You've been working hard. You've been turning in all your work. So just do your best. Make sure your cameras are on and you are focused. Try not to have any distractions around you during the 8:15 to 12:15 time slot. Okay, 8:15 to 12:15. Then you'll get your lunch. Then you'll go to 4th period and then 5th period. All right, scholars, it's Friday. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the classroom. Hoot hoot!